Hello everyone. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. And if you don't mind, go ahead and hit the red subscription button down below. Also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when we upload a new video. And we do wig reviews over here mostly. Sometimes I do try-on hauls. Every now and then I do makeup. But if you're really interested in wig reviews, then this is the channel for you, especially for the mature woman. If you're interested in this unit that I have on, it is by Beauty, and her name is Tita, and I'll leave the information card for that review right up here. So today is Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! And I have a unit from Amazon, and the company is N&T or Nicole and Tulip, I believe. And I will leave the purchase link down in the description box. But this is the wig. It's a synthetic, and I believe it's $29, but it was sent to me, but I think that's what it cost. And this is what it looks like. It's got a wave pattern to it. It looks like it's about 16 inches. Here's the parting. And you have a light brown soft lace. 2 combs at the sides and 1 comb in the back with the breathable cap. And the wig does look kind of shiny, so I may have to use some dry shampoo, but I'm going to cut the lace and put this on. Okay, so I got this on, and it fits. To me, it fits. It's not really roomy, so I'm not gonna say that it's all head friendly, but it does fit my medium size head, 22-inch head, like just right. And I think if my head was just a little bit bigger, it would probably give me a headache. So if you have a small to medium head, then yeah. And it does have these glamorous waves, and it's a nice length. It's not too long. And this is how it looks, all the hair to the back. So it comes like right to my bra strap. And like I said, it is shiny, so I'm gonna have to put some dry shampoo on it because it's looking wiggy. And let me brush it out and see what happens. It does get a little bigger when you brush it. So I don't want to mess with it too much. And for some reason I thought this was a middle part, but it's a side part. Because here's the ear tabs, which it does come ear to ear. So it's a perfect size for the average size head. And let me get this dry shampoo. I got this much shedding, which is not a whole lot. And I am going to put, I got this new item, new product, and it's called a lace and knot eraser kit. It's by Hair Fetish, and you get all these different shades that you can use to put in your part, and you can also put along the edge of the lace to make it blend better. And all these colors can be blended so that you can come up with the perfect shade for your complexion and for your scalp color. So I'm going to use this one right here in the middle for my part. So this is a really nice wig, y'all. I mean, especially for it to be Amazon, and for $29, and I got it on the Prime shipping, so I didn't have to pay any shipping, and it came like within 2 days. And this is one of those what I call Baba Boom wigs. I mean, this is pretty for like a really special occasion, like your anniversary or your birthday or some kind of big celebration. I don't know where we're going now. I wish we could go somewhere. I mean, this is just so ridiculous, just having to dress up and sit in the house and look cute. But I like these soft waves, these soft glamorous waves, and I like the length. It's not too long. But sometimes these wavy wigs, they come all the way down to your waist, and it's just too much hair. But this is just right. I really like it. I'm pleasantly surprised. So y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. And let's put on some Sunnies. And as always, please like, comment, and share. Give this video a thumbs up. Please share, and help me get my viewership up and my subscribers up. I'm almost to 2,200. Last time I looked, I was at 2,190. So I might be already at 2,200 now, and I need to kind of do a little surprise giveaway. So anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.